Let's be real. Booking a flight can feel like you're losing a game you didn't even know you were playing. The prices change all the time, the fees stack up, and you just know you're going to overpay. But what if you could flip the script? I'm talking about using the airline's own systems against them to snag ridiculously cheap flights. These five hacks that I'm about to give you are the travel industry's best kept secrets. So good, they feel like they should be illegal. Stick around because I'm about to show you how to save some serious cash on your next adventure. Number one, the VPN location switch. That's the first one. Well, let's talk about the airline's favorite trick. That's the trick, dynamic pricing. Basically, the price you see can change based on where you are in the world, your location. Searching from a country with a higher cost of living, mhm, you might just get a higher price for the exact same seat if you're in another location. So, how do you fight back? Give VPN a try. A VPN or virtual private network lets you browse as if you're in another country. I have a link in the description. Now, full disclosure, this isn't a silver bullet. Recent analysis shows the savings can be hit or miss, and sometimes the price doesn't change at all, but it's still worth a shot. Before you search, fire up your VPN. Set your location to a country like Mexico or India. Open an incognito window and see what happens. Sometimes the price difference is jaw dropping. Other times not so much. But for a few clicks, it's a gamble that can pay off big. Number 2, the one-way trip's secret weapon. All right, this next hack exploits a bizarre loophole in airline pricing. Sometimes a one way flight costs more than a round trip ticket to the same destination. It makes no sense, but it happens all the time. So, what do? You book the cheaper round trip ticket and simply don't show up for the return flight. Yeah? This is called throwaway ticketing. Now, a word of caution, airlines don't like this. Just like with other hacks, doing this violates their contract of carriage, according to them. They could penalize you by canceling your frequent flyer miles if they notice a pattern. So, this trick works best for one off trips where you don't care about the return leg. And definitely don't check a bag because the airline might get suspicious if you only use half of your ticket. It's a simple trick, but it can literally cut your one way fare in half. If you want to dive deeper into more flight hacks, packing tips, secrets airlines don't want you to know, how to avoid baggage fees, and much more, then I have something special for you. It's my newest travel secret bundle. This is a must have for your next trip. You will find it from the link in the description. So go grab it, and you'll thank me later. Now, I want to hear from you. What's the wildest travel hack you've ever used to save money? Drop it also in the comment section. I'm always looking for new ways to beat these airlines and their systems because they're not about us. So we have to help each other. And hey, if you're enjoying these tips so far, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button for more secrets to traveling smarter. Let's help each other. Now, on to number 3, the dark art of fuel dumping. Now, we're going deep on the ground now. This one is for the pros, the travel pros. A huge chunk of their ticket price is something called fuel surcharge. Look at your ticket the next time. But sometimes you can trick the airline's booking system into completely removing it. Want to know how? It's called fuel dumping. It works by building a complex itinerary, often adding a short third flight segment that you have no intention of flying, which confuses the pricing algorithm and causes it to drop the surcharge. This is the very definition of an underground hack. You won't find these on Google Flights. You have to dive into niche online forums where people share these type of tips and tricks. carefully constructed itineraries, complex itineraries. Yeah. When you find one that works, you have to book it instantly before the airline patches the glitch. This is a high risk, high reward move. The airline can cancel your ticket if they catch on, but if it works, you could be flying across the world for the price of a domestic ticket. Number four, unlocking secret student and youth airfares. This next one isn't sketchy at all, but it's a hack because so many people don't know it exists. If you're a student or under a certain age, let's say 23, you could be leaving money on the table. Major airlines like Turkish Airlines, United Airlines, and Lufthansa Airlines have special discount programs just for you, just for students. And people under 23. We're talking about cheaper fares, extra baggage allowance, and even free ticket changes. Now, they don't exactly shout about these things from the rooftops. No? So you often have to do a little digging. Go directly to the airline's website and search for their student or youth program. You'll probably have to verify your status, of course, but taking a few extra minutes or extra steps to do so can lead to some serious, legitimate savings. Number five, the opaque booking gamble. Airlines have one major fear: empty seats. No, they don't like to see empty seats. An empty seat is pure lost profit for them. So when a flight isn't selling out, they sometimes unload the last few tickets at a massive discount on what are called opaque booking sites. Here's the gamble: you'll know the date and the destination, but you won't know the exact flight time or even which airline you're flying until after you pay. That's the gamble you're going to have to take. It's a bit of a blind date with a flight, but if you're flexible, this is a fantastic way to score a huge deal. You're essentially trading a little bit of uncertainty for a rock bottom price, letting you get a ticket for way less than what the person sitting next to you paid. So there they are, five ways to play the flight gamble and win. From switching up your virtual location with a VPN to strategically ditching your layover. These are the kinds of tricks that put the power back in your hands and in your pocketbook. Flying doesn't have to drain your bank account. You just have to know the rules of the game and how to bend them so that you can benefit and outsmart the airlines. I hope you got some value from this video. I upload videos every day. I don't mind doing it, I love it. And if you don't want to miss any of them, though, please hit that notification bell. And do remember to grab the travel bundle that I mentioned earlier for your next trip. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe either and check out my other video on how to pack for an entire week in just one carry-on bag. Until the next video, see you soon.